Welcome to Gadget Explained. The Moft Z 5-in-1 sit and stand laptop desk is a game-changer in the world of portable workstations. Designed to elevate your productivity and enhance your comfort, this sleek and versatile laptop desk offers an array of features that cater to the modern professional on the move. The Moft Z sit-stand laptop desk measures 28 cm long, 24 cm wide, 1.3 cm high, sitting mode, 26 cm, standing mode, and weighs 1 kg. It is lightweight but capable of supporting up to 9 kg in the standing position, thanks to its PU fiberglass construction. Moft Z also integrates magnets to prevent the side panel from opening unexpectedly. The Moft Z sit-stand laptop desk is designed to accommodate laptops up to 17 inches and can be adjusted at various angles: 25 degrees, 35 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees, standing mode, a total of 5 modes. In standing mode, the surface area for resting the laptop measures 20 cm deep by 24 cm long and has a cutout that helps facilitate better airflow and heat dissipation, preventing bottom vent laptops from overheating during demanding tasks. In 25 degrees, 35 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees modes, the surface area for the laptop is the same, 27 cm deep by 23 cm long, which is a lot wider than in standing mode. The Moft Z sit-stand desk is exceptionally versatile and much easier to use than it looks, adapting effortlessly to your preferred ergonomic setup. Transitioning from sitting inclined position to standing position is seamless, letting you work, study, or enjoy multimedia content comfortably. You can use it with laptops and tablets too, thanks to a small retractable pocket, which holds the tablet upright. Moft Z feels well made and reliable. Its sturdy construction provides excellent stability, even when supporting heavier laptops. Moft Z laptop desk strikes a perfect balance between durability and aesthetics. The sleek and minimalistic design seamlessly integrates into any workspace, adding a touch of sophistication. The folding mechanism is smooth and secure, providing a stable platform for a laptop. Compared to a dedicated rising desk stand, Moft Z comes short due to lack of height adjustment. Designed with portability in mind, the Moft Z laptop desk is convenient to carry, thanks to fold-flat design. When flat, Moft Z measures only 1.5 cm high, 24 cm long by 28 cm deep, making it effortless to slip into a backpack. When compared to the Moft graphene cooling stand and the Moft Airflow laptop stand, the Moft Z laptop desk is the more versatile of the three, thanks to the standing mode, but Moft Z is also the bulkiest of the three. You cannot attach Moft Z to the back of a laptop like you can with Moft graphene stand and Moft Airflow stand. In terms of ventilation, Moft graphene cooling stand and the Moft Airflow laptop stand are better at driving heat away. Moft Z is only capable of driving heat away in the standing position.